My name is Dr. Richard Hart, President of Loma Linda University Health. We have been blessed through the years with a number of people involved with contributing to our mission here at Loma Linda. And this individual today is one that we want to recognize.
It is such a privilege to be here today to talk about a woman who I have great personal love for and respect for, but Beverly Bailey and her impact on this entire community.
It's just wonderful to be able to have that relationship with the hospital and the Children's Hospital, to be able to support their various programs because they do such good work over there and save many lives.
Beverly is a woman who walks the walk. She absolutely does impact things in incredible ways. She has been involved with Loma Linda and the Children's Hospital and Women's Conference for over 16 years.
The very first contact with Loma Linda would be the birth of our oldest son, Brandon, who is now, he's turning 39 next week actually. And at the time we were a young couple and we needed assistance to have him. And Loma Linda was kind enough to open up their doors. Then years later, I was asked to be part of the Children's Hospital Board. And from that experience, I got to see firsthand of all the wonderful things that the hospital was actually doing, both from the Children's Hospital and then also the University Hospital at large. And it just solidified that connection.
She has had such an impact on so many children's lives, on young people in the community, and she's actually been involved with over 40 different nonprofits in this community.
When you can give and give to many various needs, it becomes just an extension of ourselves and who we are and what we've been blessed with.
And there are so many things that have her fingerprints on it, where lives are changed and made and inspired because of what she's done. Over 26 years ago, her and her husband started their business on their kitchen table with a vision.
We really didn't have much when we started the business, but we saw a lot of need.
And Beverly has taken that vision forward in everything she does. And in doing that, she inspires people to know that they can make a difference.
That if people would just open their eyes and just have a heart of just being kind and seeing what you could do for your neighbor or your coworker or those around you, just small acts of kindness just go such a long way. An encouraging word, seeing where people just need a little hand out or help, hand up. If we could all just do that.
I remember a few years ago in the Children's Hospital when she was doing an event and she brought her children and grandchildren so that they could experience and see what it felt like to make a difference for someone in need. That has an incredible value to inspire that next generation.
What giving does is it gets your eyes off yourself and puts your eyes on others, and it's just a wonderful thing to do.
Beverly is truly a woman that deserves and has earned our love and respect for what she does, the example she sets, and what she does in this community, and we thank her so very much.
It is my pleasure to introduce Beverly Bailey as our 2020 Philanthropist of the Year.
I would like to thank my friends at Loma Linda for just nominating and honoring me with this beautiful award. It's humbling to receive, and I'm just very grateful. I just couldn't be more blessed. Thank you very much.